So whether you're here because you're currently taking an elementary geometry class or you're just curious, I'm just glad that you're here, and I welcome you to this video where we will talk about the difference between a line, a ray, and a line segment. Now I understand that in math we often encounter terms, symbols, especially notations that are hard to differentiate from one another. They're almost similar that students often trip or get confused. Now, what's common between a line ray and line segment is that all of them are basically a series of points. So if you put a point next to a point, you can form a line, a ray, or a line segment. Now, what's the difference between them? Let me just draw an image for each of them. Let me draw a line, a ray, and a line segment. Let me try the same color for ray. And for a line segment, now all of them are basically series of points. So this is a point here, from here all the way from here to there. Same with a ray and a line segment. Notice that the only difference is this arrowhead right here. A line contains two arrowheads, and arrowheads means that these series of points extends infinitely towards that direction. Which means this line or a line extends infinitely on both directions, while a ray only extends to a single direction since it only has a single arrowhead. And a line segment don't have any, which means that the series of points will only stay within this area. It's bounded, it's definite, not unlike a line and a ray. Now, how do we write or name a line, ray, and line segment? Let's just put a couple of points for each type. Let's start with a line. Basically, we need to name 2 points from them. So let's name points A and B from this line. And to write line AB in symbol is like this. Just write letters A and B side to side, side by side, all caps, and then put this symbol right above them. Basically a smaller version of this one. Don't forget to put the 2 arrowheads, which means that AB is a line. It extends infinitely from both in opposing directions. In a ray, let's name another couple of points. Let's say we have here points C and D. In symbol, we are going to write that as capital letter CD with a miniature of this ray right above them. But it only points toward the right. So whether this ray is pointing towards here or here, in symbol, the ray above the letters would always point towards the right side. While in a line segment, let's name this EF. This is line segment EF, and in symbols, that will be capital letters E and F. And then right above them, just a miniature of this figure right here without any arrowhead. And that's basically the difference between a line, a ray, and a line segment.